right, this comes in from Raubay, and this is a camera mount for your monitor or for your laptop. So it has this really nice ball head that you can tighten on to this spot. And I love that you can also adjust where you want to put that on the sides, and you're going to tighten that on there, and then you can put your camera on because it has a screw thread in the top. And since it has a ball head, and really nice when you can move this thing around and tighten that into place. So there's several ways that you can use this, and you can even use this as like a phone mount if you just want to set this up like a phone mount. But the main thing is you're going to clamp this on to your laptop or your monitor, and you're going to put your camera on top. Now, what you'll notice also is that there are cold shoe mounts on the top, so you can add microphones or like a light as well. And we're going to pop that thing on. And so it's going to sit there, and whether it's like a, bigger mirrorless camera and you want to have some really good like shots where you can also see your screen and have like a script, or maybe you're video chatting or something like that and you want to have the best quality camera you can pop that thing on there. It's perfect height. So depending on how heavy it is, you can also leverage it down a little bit more or higher up depending on how you want it to sit. So it's a really nice little product, very easy and very portable, and it does the job. So I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.